What's up, fitness fam? And welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm all about helping you build the physique of your dreams without any of the complicated nonsense. Today, we're diving deep into something that's just as important as your reps and sets, your nutrition. You've probably heard the saying, abs are made in the kitchen, and honestly, it's true. You can't out-train a bad diet. So, if you're just starting your bodybuilding journey or you're looking for some fresh, simple meal ideas to pack on lean muscle, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share my top 5 muscle-building meals that you can easily make right at home. These aren't just a pile of bland chicken and broccoli. These are delicious, satisfying meals packed with the protein, carbs, and healthy fats you need to grow. Forget expensive meal prep services and complicated recipes. We're keeping it simple, effective, and budget-friendly. Let's get cooking. All right, kicking things off with meal number 1, the undisputed champion of breakfast, the muscle-building scramble. Forget those sugary cereals. We're starting our day with a serious protein punch to kickstart muscle protein synthesis. Here's what you'll need: 4 whole eggs, a handful of spinach, about 1/4 of a diced bell pepper, and 50 grams of low-fat feta cheese. Why this combo? Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they have all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair. Spinach and bell peppers are loaded with vitamins and minerals that support overall health and reduce inflammation. The feta adds an amazing savory flavor and an extra dose of protein. Just scramble it all up in a pan with a little olive oil, and in under 5 minutes you have a powerhouse breakfast. Pair it with a slice of whole wheat toast for some quality complex carbs to fuel your morning or your workout. This meal is simple, fast, and incredibly effective. Next up, meal number 2 is my go-to for a quick and easy lunch, the ultimate Greek yogurt power bowl. This is perfect for those busy days when you don't have time to cook. All you need is a big tub of plain Greek yogurt, and I mean the real stuff, not the flavored, sugary kind. Greek yogurt is a casein protein powerhouse, which means it digests slowly, feeding your muscles over a longer period. To this, we're going to add 1 scoop of your favorite vanilla or chocolate whey protein powder. This instantly boosts the protein content and adds a touch of sweetness. Then, for healthy fats and crunch, throw in a small handful of almonds or walnuts. Finally, for some fiber and complex carbs, add 1/2 cup of mixed berries, like blueberries and raspberries. They're also packed with antioxidants. Just mix it all together in a bowl. It takes literally 2 minutes to prepare, tastes like a dessert, and will keep you full and anabolic for hours. It's a game changer for a midday meal. Moving on to meal number 3, a classic that never fails, the lean bodybuilder's chicken and sweet potato. This is a staple in almost every bodybuilder's diet for a reason. It's the perfect pre- or post-workout meal. We're taking a standard chicken breast, about 150 to 200 grams. Season it well with whatever you like. I use paprika, garlic powder, and a bit of black pepper, and then bake it or grill it until it's cooked through. For our carbohydrate source, we're using a medium-sized sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are fantastic because they're a complex carb that provides sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar like white potatoes might. Plus, they're full of vitamins. Just poke it with a fork a few times and bake it alongside your chicken for about 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or until it's soft. To round out the meal and get our micronutrients in, we'll add a generous serving of steamed broccoli. This is the definition of clean eating. It's a perfectly balanced meal that covers all your bases: lean protein, quality carbs, and essential greens. All right, for meal number 4, let's talk about a powerhouse dinner that's incredibly tasty: lean beef and quinoa stir-fry. Yes, you can eat red meat and build a lean physique. The key is choosing the right cut and portion size. I recommend using about 150 grams of lean ground beef, 90% lean or higher. Brown it in a pan and drain any excess fat. Then, we're going to load it up with veggies. Think sliced mushrooms, onions, and maybe some chopped zucchini. Throw them all in the pan with the beef and stir-fry with a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. For our carb sauce, we're using quinoa. Quinoa is amazing. Not only is it a gluten-free complex carbohydrate, but it's also a complete protein itself, giving you an extra muscle-building edge. Cook about 1 cup of quinoa according to the package directions. Then, just serve the beef and veggie stir-fry over the bed of quinoa. This meal is packed with iron from the beef, which is crucial for energy and oxygen transport to your muscles. It's hearty, satisfying, and fantastic for muscle recovery. And finally, meal number 5 is for all you fish lovers out there, and it's a fantastic option for your last meal of the day. Baked salmon with asparagus and brown rice. Salmon is an absolute superfood for bodybuilding. It's not only rich in high-quality protein, but it's also one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are incredible for reducing joint inflammation, improving heart health, and supporting overall recovery. Take a 150-gram salmon fillet, season it with a little lemon juice, dill, and black pepper, and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. While it's baking, steam or roast a bundle of asparagus. Asparagus is a great source of fiber and vitamins. We'll pair this with a serving of brown rice, another excellent complex carbohydrate that will give you slow-releasing energy. This meal is light on the stomach, making it perfect for the evening, while the combination of protein and healthy fats works to repair your muscles as you sleep. It's a delicious way to end your day of clean eating. So there you have it, my top 5 simple, effective, and delicious muscle-building meals you can make at home. The key to a successful bodybuilding diet is consistency and preparation. Try to cook some of these meals in batches so you always have a healthy option ready to go. Remember, what you eat is the foundation of your physique. You can't build a strong house on a weak foundation. I hope you found these ideas helpful and that they inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. Eating for muscle doesn't have to be boring or complicated. It's all about choosing smart, whole food ingredients and putting them together in a way that you enjoy. If you like this video and want more content on workouts, nutrition, and all things fitness, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these meals you're going to try first, or if you have a favorite muscle-building recipe of your own. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.